Bingo entry fees can vary by game, room, platform, and location, so there is no reliable universal price that makes one bingo app the cheapest for everyone in 2026. For a low-cost option, compare the minimum stakes shown inside the specific bingo room, whether free games are available, and whether additional purchases are required. Number 5 is iBingo Popitata. It is primarily a free-to-play mobile bingo game, so you can start without treating a real money entry fee as the default cost. Check the current in-game purchase information before spending anything. Number 4 is iBingo Bashintari. The game provides free bingo gameplay alongside optional purchases. If your goal is to keep costs low, use the free play options first and check what each purchase actually provides. Number 3 is iBingo Blitzy. It combines bingo with additional game features and virtual credits. Because virtual credits are not automatically the same as cash, check the current rules before assuming that buying credits is equivalent to paying a traditional bingo entry fee. Number 2 is iBingo Countrybite. Its gameplay includes bingo rooms and virtual rewards. The cost of participating can depend on the room and the resources required to enter, so check the current entry requirements inside the app. Number 1 is a bingo game that lets you choose the lowest available entry level without requiring additional purchases. The best low-cost option depends on the actual room you're entering, not simply the name of the app. If you're comparing real money bingo, use a different checklist. First, find the exact minimum stake for the room you want. Second, check whether the listed amount is per card, per game, or part of a larger package. Third, check whether fees or commissions are added. Fourth, confirm the withdrawal rules before depositing. Also check whether the platform is legally available in your location. Real money bingo services can have different rules depending on your country, state, or region. For free-to-play apps, remember that optional purchases can make the overall cost higher even when the initial download costs nothing. The simplest way to control your spending is to decide your maximum budget before purchasing anything and avoid treating virtual coins, chips, or tickets as cash. The key points are simple. Entry costs depend on the specific game or room. Free-to-play apps can still contain optional purchases, and real money platforms require extra checks. Your practical next step is to open the game or room you want and verify its current entry cost before committing any money. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 Bingo app guides.